What if I told you the average SUV owner spends close to 10 grand a year just to keep their vehicle on the road? Between repairs, insurance, fuel, and depreciation, it adds up fast. Sounds insane, right? But here's the twist. Not all SUVs are financial black holes. Some can quietly pass 400,000 miles, even 500,000, with little more than oil, filters, and basic maintenance. Today, we're breaking down smart SUVs that protect your wallet in ways most people never realize. We'll cover the models that stay cheap to run, hold their value like a savings bond, and avoid nasty repair bills. And stick around until the end, because I'll also expose two popular SUVs that can absolutely wreck your bank account if you buy the wrong year. Ready to buy once and drive forever? Let's go. SUVs are everywhere. Families love them, commuters love them, and automakers love selling them because the profit margins are huge. But here's the reality. The bigger the SUV, the bigger the bills. The average midsize SUV costs thousands more per year than a compact sedan when you factor in insurance premiums, repairs, and fuel. And yet, some SUVs break that pattern. They're built so well, so simple, and so reliable that they defy the rulebook. That's what makes this list so powerful. These are the models that give you peace of mind, keep your insurance agent happy, and don't leave your mechanic rubbing his hands every time you pull in. So let's start the countdown. Back in the 90s, wagons were fading fast. Nobody wanted them. Subaru pulled a wild card. They lifted the suspension, slapped on rugged cladding, gave it symmetrical all-wheel drive, and suddenly the Outback wasn't just a car, it was the original crossover. Here's the kicker. Most Outbacks breeze past 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Owners who stick to oil changes, brakes, and tires routinely report 250 kelvins, 300 kelvins. That's the kind of dependability mechanics hate to admit, because it keeps their shops empty. Insurance, dirt cheap compared to rivals. Why? The Outback is one of the safest vehicles in its class, with IIHS top safety Pick Plus ratings. Safer car equals lower premiums, and that means savings every single month. Now, don't expect drag strip thrills from the base 2.5-liter engine, but step up to the 2.4 turbo, and you're looking at 260 horsepower without sacrificing durability. And unlike rivals who make AWD an expensive option, Subaru makes it standard across the lineup. The RAV4 isn't just Toyota's best-selling SUV, it's the best-selling SUV in America. And that's not by accident. Toyota found the formula decades ago. Compact size, simple 4-cylinder engines, and bulletproof reliability. Here's the shocking part. Older RAV4s regularly cross 300,000 miles without a single major repair. I've seen 2010 models still running strong on their original drivetrain. That kind of durability is rare, and it makes the RAV4 a financial fortress. And because Toyota's reputation for longevity is legendary, resale values are insane. A 5-year-old RAV4 can often sell for nearly the same price as a brand new rival from Ford or Chevy. That's depreciation protection most SUVs can only dream about. 10 years ago, Hyundai wasn't exactly the poster child for reliability. But the Santa Fe has rewritten that story. The secret weapon? Warranty coverage. Hyundai and Kia back their SUVs with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's like having an extended warranty built into the price. Even if something major goes wrong, you're not left holding the bill. And real-world owners are proving it's not just marketing hype. Santa Fe's are racking up 200,000 miles with little more than routine service. Fuel economy is solid, resale values are climbing, and insurance costs are usually lower than rivals like Jeep or Volkswagen. If you're nervous about long-term reliability, the Santa Fe is a smart buy because it literally gives you peace of mind baked into the purchase. But if you want ultimate durability, the kind of SUV that keeps going when others fall apart, nothing touches this next one. This isn't just an SUV. It's an armored tank with leather seats. Underneath the Lexus badge, the LX is basically a Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle legendary for outlasting mortgages and crossing deserts without breaking down. These things are famous for hitting 400,000, even 500,000 miles. In parts of Africa and the Middle East, some Land Cruisers have logged over 1,000,000 miles and are still running. Now, let's be clear. The LX isn't cheap at the pump. Expect 15 to 17 miles per gallon. But that's the trade-off. Fuel cost in exchange for indestructible reliability. And here's what makes it shocking. Depreciation is almost non-existent. Used LX models still command eye-watering prices because everyone knows once you buy one, you may never need another SUV again. Most compact SUVs feel like kitchen appliances. Useful, but boring. The Mazda CX-5 broke that mold. It looks sharp, drives sharper, and still lasts longer than most of its rivals. Here's the detail most people miss. The CX-5 avoids the dreaded CVT transmissions that plague other brands. Instead, it uses a tried and true 6-speed automatic. That single decision saves owners thousands in potential repairs. Owners and mechanics alike praise its reliability. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5. And resale values stay strong because Mazda has built a reputation for blending style with staying power. The Honda CR-V has been battling the RAV4 for decades, and lately it's been winning. Better handling, stronger safety features, and class-leading fuel economy up to 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the shocker. Some early 2000-second CR-Vs are closing in on 500,000 miles. 500,000! And they're still on the road. Few vehicles on Earth can pull that off. That kind of durability makes the CR-V one of the safest financial bets you can make. Insurance companies love them too. IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings keep premiums low, saving you money every single month. And resale values? Sky high. Honda's reputation means you'll always get solid money back when it's time to sell. But what if you don't need mid-size space, just something smaller, cheaper, and just as bulletproof? The smartest SUV to buy isn't the one with the lowest sticker price or the flashiest badge. It's the one that saves you money year after year by staying reliable, safe, and valuable. Think about it. A dependable SUV means lower repair bills, cheaper insurance, stronger resale, and fewer headaches. Over 10 or 20 years, that can save you tens of thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, an unreliable SUV doesn't just drain your wallet. It drains your patience, your time, and even your confidence every time you turn the key. So here's my question for you. Which SUV would you trust to keep for the next 10 years, maybe even 20?